Hello again, my lovelies. I'm just getting back from Walmart. I figured I'd do a quick haul video. I got my little snack right here. After cleaning houses all day, I usually come home and cut up some cucumbers and some tomatoes and just snack on that until it's dinner time. But, okay, getting back to the haul. Well, I spent about $75.68. My son got a video game too, so that brought it up to $96, and my kitties are going crazy. They're acting stupid. But yeah, I got some cheese, some Colby cheese, and I got the big bag, which was $13. But it's only like 17 cents an ounce. So it was a really good deal. And we usually eat a lot of cheese, so that will go pretty fast in this house. But yeah, it'll last the week. I had to get some more drink mix. I love this stuff. It is just, I can't say enough about it. It helps so I don't drink soda. It's sugar free. And I just love it. I had to pick up a few more packs. And they're only $1 at Walmart. You can also pick them up at Dollar General too. They're $1 there as well. I got some tea. I think that was only like $1.19. That wasn't bad. And this was actually the very last head of lettuce in the store. Look how small that is. Just crazy. Everybody's eating salad, so I had to have lettuce for, I'm making my son and my husband tacos tonight. So I had to have some lettuce. I got some eggs, a dozen eggs. That was on sale for like $1.34. It was pretty good. My husband drinks soda, so I got him a 6-pack of Sprites. And I had to get a gallon of milk because I was running low. I got some Bisquick for a few recipes that I'll be making for my son and my husband. And tomorrow I'm going to be so busy, so I got my husband a sub tomorrow for lunch. So I'll just slice that in half and send that to work with him, and he'll be a happy camper. A loaf of bread. And this large thing of bacon, it's like 1.5 pounds. It was 5 something, which isn't too bad for 1.5 pounds. But yeah, I had to get a thing of butter. I was running low. Some taco shells. I plan to use those for my husband and son for tacos tonight. Some Roma tomatoes, and they were actually 98 cents a pound, so that was a pretty good deal. There's the crazy kitties again. Okay, and over on this side, I got 5 pounds of hamburger. Now, if I break that down, I can usually make that into at least 4 meals. So that won't be too bad. And even with the taco meat, since I've had to be pretty frugal and make things stretch, I've always added refried beans to my taco meat. So that's always made the taco meat more and, you know, more filling. I had to get some more cucumbers. I live on cucumbers. I got my husband and son some bananas. And I had to get some ibuprofen. Yeah, it's that time, so yeah. Some sour cream and some cottage cheese. I love this stuff, so yeah. And I had to get some more floor shine because I was running out. I use that in my house as well as clients' houses, so yeah, they like that. Got some malto meal for my son and husband for breakfast. And some pancake mix. I like the extra fluffy. The extra fluffy turns out really good. And it was only $1.34 a box. So that was pretty good. And I actually got some spray. I have a DIY that I'm going to be doing. So hopefully I'll film that in the next day or so and show you what I have going on. But yeah, that was my Walmart haul. Not too bad for $75 worth of food. And like I said, it will last pretty much a week as far as that. So yeah, well, thank you so much for watching. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd appreciate your support. And have a wonderful evening, my lovelies. Bye.